It's Sunday, June the 1st, 2008. Outside Gare de l'Est in Paris. Gare de l'Est is the train station of the East, and it doesn't mean that it's the station to the east of Paris. What it means is that it's the station that serves destinations to and from the east of Paris. It's a Sunday. The station is full of shops and restaurants. However, many are closed because it's Sunday. Heading down to Mainz. Up there you can see Départ Grande Ligne, and we're going on the ICE, the Intercity 9555 to Mannheim, and then change trains for Mainz. These are the arrivals, and our train is on, how about that? The train came in from Frankfurt on Voie 4, line 4, and we're going out on Voie 3, or line 3. I would have suspected that we would leave from the same, use the same train and get on it going back to where it came from and where I'm going. Walk you through here again. Lots of shops. There is one picture. Oh, here it is. It's even closer. I don't have to walk that far. This advertisement I thought was kind of neat, and it says Train de nuit Lunier, réveillez-vous loin de chez vous. It's the well, Lunier is the moon, nuit is night. It's the moonlight train, and it says réveillez-vous, wake up, loin, far de chez vous, far from where you live. So here's this woman waking up in the ocean and sleeping on a sandy beach. But I guess it's a night train, and it just costs you an extra 35 euros to get that. Here's what the station looks like. And outdoor, indoor restaurants, sandwich shops, turnstiles where you get into the track. And we'll walk down here towards line 3 now, I guess. People from all over the world, all different nationalities and languages being spoken. But came in from the airport this morning, and people just walk right in front of you. Let's see, there's Voie 11, and we're on the yellow line this morning, and little sandwich shop, baguettes, pain à ligne, breads of the line, and all got nice monitors up here telling you where to go. Little flower shop, tobacco, magazines, because you can take snacks on the train and so on. So we'll see what this looks like. Yeah, okay. Here are the people. They're coming in from Frankfurt, and we're going out on the opposite side. And I'm on, or in wagon 27, number 27 wagon, if I can make my way through here. These are Deutsche Bahn trains, German Deutsche Bahn, and that's what the DB stands for.